Cease fire, engage the end zone. Load the CG sound.
What's it called? Converter.
Alright, what's that?
Fusing.
Yeah.
Bump it. Up, right there. Don't move.
See, okay, see, look.
I need two. I had a band-aid somewhere. Tube left. 5.
Look! 5.
29 or 77.
Or 7.
I need altitude.
Sir, ma'am, anybody?
Get the chief building that.
Physically a Vinny at the 1 5.
What are you gonna get?
No warning, that's the charge. 5, 6, 7 to the rear. Fire! Verified. Swipe the bottom.
Fire.
Hey, hold your hand. Ready? Oh, no, it's too close. Oh, wait, it's 2. Lakey backlit, no orange, charge 5, 6, 7 to the rear. On. Lakey backlit, no orange, charge 5, 6, 7 to the rear. Survive, fire! Verified. Lakey backlit, orange, charge 5, 6, 7 to the rear. Survive, fire! Deflection 3632. Quadrant 252. They're ready.
Lucky Badlet, order and to the rear. Stand by. Fire.
54.
That's our second, right? They're ready.
Lucky Badlet, order and to the rear. Stand by. Fire. 3. Stand by. Fire. Charge. 5 to the rear. Stand by. Fire. 3601. 23. Safe. 844. Yo. Lucky Badlet, ornament. Charge 5, 6, 7 to the rear. Stand by. 5, 6, 7 to the rear. Stand by. Fire.
back, let more messages, charges 5-6 to the rear, stand by, fire!
Good hustle, Travis. Good hustle. Motor break.
Charge 6 out of the rear.
Lincoln back, let more messages, charges 6-2 to rear, stand by, fire!
No, we still need 192.
Yeah. Next. 3658192.
Charge 6 out of the rear.
Lincoln back, let more messages, charges 6-2 to rear, stand by.
What's going on here? Info. There we go. Clear that.
I got a lot of material.
Cease fire, engage the end zone. Load the CG round.
What's it called? Reverter. Alright, what's that? Yeah. Bump it. Oh, right there. Don't move. Perfect. 3601. 23. Safe. Yo. Lincoln Battle in the 1 minute charge 567 to the rear. Stand by. 567 to the rear. Stand fire.